A lot of the time in Premiere Pro, your project gets really long and you want to select all clips to the right of your playhead or another clip. And yes, you can simply drag and select all of the clips to the right, but when your project gets really big, it's no longer an option. Now, Adobe Premiere Pro has this Track Select Forward tool that can help you solve this problem. Simply select the tool and click on the clip from which you want to select all other clips to the right. Press and hold Shift key to select all video clips to the right on that particular track. Now, one of the things you can do with this is select all clips to the right and move them to the right of your all other clips. Now, if you want to add, for example, a freeze frame effect, right-click on the first clip and select Add Frame Hold option. A new really small frame will be added. You can drag it all the way to the right to merge with the other clips. Now, if you play the video, you will see the car froze or paused on that frame. Now, if you click and hold Track Select Forward tool, you'll see a Track Select Backward tool. And it allows you to do the opposite, which is select all clips to the left of the clip that you're clicking on. This can be useful for things like trimming the beginning part of your clip. Now, if you only want to select the audio clips to the right, select all clips, right-click, and select Unlink, which will unlink your video track from your audio track. And then you can use the Track Select Forward tool to select just the audio clips on your timeline.